Okay, hi everyone, this is Steve Condos here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the TronLink wallet on your desktop. Now in this demonstration, I'm using a MacBook. However, you can go ahead, as I said, and download it to your desktop, whether it's a PC or a MacBook. So the first thing that we do is we come up here on the browser field and we type in tronlink.org. When you do that, it's going to bring you to this page that you see in front of you right now. Then we come down here where it says Chrome extension. You can see that. So we click on that. Then we click on Chrome Web Store. That will open a new page and will bring us here. And then you come here on the right-hand side where you see the blue button and you click on Add to Chrome. Okay. Then up here we click on Add Extension. The wallet comes as an extension in the Chrome browser. Okay, and then you will see up here right on the top right corner, you can see that the extension was added. So I'm just gonna click on that icon. You can see TronLink. I'm just gonna click on that. And that's going to open the wallet. So the first step that we need to do now is create a password. So let's go ahead and create a password. Okay, we'll repeat the password. Okay, we'll come down here and we just click on, yep, got it. Then we click on continue. Now, you can see three buttons there, create, restore, hardware. Now, we want to create a new wallet, okay? So we click on create. Now, we have to create a name. We have to name the wallet. Call it wallet, let's call it wallet 1, okay? So we click on continue. And then we come here where we see 12 words that we have to take note of and write down. Make sure you write down these words in the correct order that you see. Very important, do not share these words with anyone. And most importantly, do not lose these. I will repeat this. Do not share it with anyone, and most importantly, do not lose this. So let me just go ahead and write down those words myself. So it's sister, because, okay, now that I've written those words down, we click on continue. Now here, we need to confirm what is referred to as the mnemonic phrase in the same order that it was given to us. And this is the reason why you have to write them down. So here I go. First one was sister. Again, you can see that goes up. Second was because. Okay. Third one was bicycle. Bicycle. Fourth one was young, wild, diesel, sun, toe, code, coach, and of course bounds, and then of course major. Okay, now confirm. Okay, and you can see that now we have installed the TronLink wallet on your desktop or your laptop. Okay, it is as simple as that. Of course, the next step now is that you need to fund this wallet. Okay, now, and you can see right on top of the US dollars figure, you can see that is the address, that is the public address of your wallet. This is what you give to people when you want to receive funds in your wallet, or when you want them to send you funds. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and that's it for now, and see you on my next video.